So the bungee cord for my Outback that holds the paddle has worn out, so I'm going to replace this, and without getting that special key to undo those two knobs. Just be careful the needle nose. I had the camera in one hand, so I wasn't able to get a good grip, so I stripped the tip of it. If you do it with two hands, it shouldn't be that difficult. So do the same on the other side. Since I'm right-handed, I have my camera on the left, so I was able to get a better grip and remove it without stripping this one. So after you got those removed, remove the old bungee, cut the new bungee to length, put a knot on each side and reattach.